everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really good video for you guys. I haven't done a tablescape in over a year. Woo, shame on me, I know, right? I have done a tablescape in a whole year, and that is what I'm bringing you today. So first, before we get started, y'all, I really wanted to welcome all of my new subscribers. And if this is your first time joining us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're going to get into why you clicked on this video today. We're going to just get right on in it. So this is your sage look. You know, I like color. Do not get me wrong, y'all. I love color. It's just, I love nude. I love whites, brights, whites. But I'm also here for this. I think that it is really nice. It's really elegant. Look number 2. If you like number 2, list it down in the comment section below and tell me why you like number 2, okay? You may be a colorful girl who loves to do color, so this may be your thing. Also, for communicating across the table, this is a good idea because it definitely will block if you have a huge centerpiece when you talking to people, either way that you're sitting. So, you guys, I love number 1. Number 3 is doing the most without doing the most to me. So you guys just let me know if look number 3 is for you. You may be the most kind of girl, but I just don't think it goes with the whole theme. And let me tell you why I bought it. I bought it because the darkness matched the dark of the table, and maybe I wanted to bring that out some more. That was the idea in my head, but it didn't come out the way I thought it would. So you guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and stay tuned for more tablescapes that are coming up. I want to do a more affordable one. Perhaps it may come from Walmart, we'll see. But you don't want to miss anything. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below on which centerpiece was your favorite. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.